Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for John in Oklahoma. And it's RCI 9090 and 4. John, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune and alignment. You wanted me to do a little video with the switch off first. So we got the R power wide open. Hello, 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 1, 2, 3. 25 watt slug in average, 50 in peak. Hello, hello, hello. So they're keyed about 4 watts, going to 15 bird and about hello, 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 48 to 50 peak. Hello, 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 hello. RF power, or the amp turned on. Throw the RF power all the way down. Pull these little slugs out. Cute little guys. Some small radios. 250 watt slug in average, 500 in peak. Start with RF power all the way down. 25 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. There's 125 dead key. Hello. 200 bird and 500 watts in the corner. Roll back here a little bit so you can see your meter. Hello, 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 hello. 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 Now, I get the sneaky suspicion you don't run a watt meter. So let me just roll this and point this little mark right here at the F, okay? Now that will give you about a 90 watt carrier. That's where I would run it. Because if you look at there, hello, 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 still swinging 500 PEP, hello, 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 hello. That's where I'd leave it, my friend. All right, we're going to get it out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise. Get wise and get truck rise today.